couple months ago, I sold my car and now I've decided to get a new means of transportation. Guess what? A bicycle! Woo. So this is officially my first bicycle as an adult, and I thought it would be fun to build it myself. So now it's time to get on with the build. Soothing feeling that comes from tearing new stuff up. I don't know if it's just me, but I love brand new things. So that's me done with the bike build, and I think I'm gonna take it for a ride. Let's see how that goes. I can't wait to test this. I've been learning to ride the bike for a couple months now, and I have a 10-year-old that has been teaching me. His name's Khalil. Shout out to Khalil. I'm so happy. Like, feels to me like I got a brand new car, because this right here is my new ride. Catch you in the next video. See you.